Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and recently I did a video about how you could do a rocking substitution for the Hindu squat. And it was elevated rocking. Well, I'll just show you. So this could be a great substitution for the Hindu squat because it just puts your knees and hips. It gives them such a good range of motion. Well, I had someone ask, could you put your knees down at the back of that, or do you have to keep them up continuously? And well, if you remember, if you've seen this video, I also did a video about how you could turn off and on reflexive strength by suddenly pushing yourself up off the ground. So the answer to the question is yes, you can touch your knees down in the back of the elevated rocking Hindu squat substitution. And when you do that, it's kind of like also cutting off and on your reflexive strength. So you can double dip two movements in one. So what I'm saying is you can take this movement where you're turning on reflexively firing your center and add it to your rocking Hindu, your elevated rocking Hindu squat substitution, which is just really just elevated rocking. So, but instead of staying elevated, you can place down here, come up, place down here, come up. So the knees are down, off, reflexive strength, on, reflexive strength, off, reflexive strength, on, reflexive strength. And you'll feel the muscles in your legs amplify once those knees come off the ground. Now, this one's free. I like you. I'm going to show you how to intensify the on switch of your reflexive strength in that other movement. So, we're here. You'll feel your core fire as soon as those knees come off the ground. We're doing this dorsiflexion, but if we change our feet to plantar flexion, laces down, and now we do it, you'll really feel your center fire. Just taking the feet from here to here turns up the juice quite a bit. So if you really want to train and activate your center, make sure that reflexive strength is sharp, you can go laces down. And you'll really feel your center turn on like a light switch as soon as you push off the ground. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, can I combine that with the Hindu squat alternative of the elevated rocking? Yes, you can. So now it's a 3-4. I really like you guys. So we're here, and we can go elevated rocking with laces down. And you can't touch your knees down, come up, touch your knees down, come up. Now, going laces down for the elevated rocking, it's gonna work your legs just a little bit more. It's special. Anyway, that's our tip this week. It's really an answer to a question. Can you put your knees down in the elevated rocking? Yes, you can. But while you're doing it, why not play with other stuff too? All right, that's it. That's all I got. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.